WearOS for me has been more of a variety operating system than anything. The Fossil group alone makes a ton of great looking smartwatch styles to choose from, but there was always something missing, and it was the fitness element. Sure, the hardware was there, the sensors were there, but I always felt that Google Fit needed an extra boost of credibility. If this wasn't just a Google project, and if a true fitness brand would adopt WearOS, this would change the story dramatically, and the time has come. Meet the PUMA Smartwatch, what the company dubs as a seamless blend of style and sport functionality, and honestly, the partnership that I've been waiting for. Special thanks to Qualcomm for sponsoring this video and for flying some of us over to Herso in order to visit the PUMA headquarters and learn more about what this partnership was all about. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's take a quick dive. I'm going to start this video by just naming a few dates and some of the legends that I admire. 1962 with Pelé, 1982 with Diego Armando Maradona, and 2009 with Usain Bolt. Some of the best athletes in history have been associated with PUMA, and a lot of it has to do with how deeply the brand gets involved. Just to give you an idea, the partnership between PUMA, the Fossil Group, and Qualcomm took around 12 months in order to tailor this new smartwatch. The watch targets mostly runners and fitness enthusiasts, so the nylon case matched with the aluminum ring was actually cut on the sides in order to shed some of the usual weight you get with a smartwatch. The 16mm silicone strap design then has the purpose of providing grip and breathability for intense workouts. The unboxing experience is fairly standard. On the sides we have indications of the PUMA Smartwatch logo, the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100 logo, icons indicating messaging, workouts, and heart rate, WearOS by Google, which is compatible with both iOS and Android, and then other details at the bottom. Inside we have the watch front and center, and on one of the sides we have the charging puck, and then literature at the bottom. And all along the experience you'll see the same theme: lace up, connect, go. The watch is actually very minimalistic. This variant is 44mm in diameter, with the color of the bezel and the band depending on the variant you pick, whether you get the black and gray model we received, the white and rose gold, or my favorite, which is the yellow and black. The digital crown, which portrays the PUMA logo, also follows suit, and I can't stress enough how cool it is to have the crown for interacting with the UI, especially when you're training. This is a 1.19-inch AMOLED display at 328 ppi that gets plenty bright and direct sunlight, and provides deep blacks, which is rather convenient since most of the watch face elements provided by PUMA focus on dark elements. Internally, we have the new Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100, 512MB of RAM, 4GB of storage, a battery that's rated for more than a day, water resistance up to 5 ATM, built-in GPS, a heart rate monitor, and NFC support for Google Pay. Now, one of the things that's great about WearOS is that there's no bloat. The experience is very similar among smartwatches, so there's very little learning curve. Swipe from the top to get your controls, from the bottom to get notifications, from the left to get your Google feed, and from the right to get your tiles, which you can define. Other elements that make this watch stand apart are definitely the watch phases, which PUMA has tailored to motivate you to stay fit during the day. The PUMA scorecard to keep you up to speed with your progress, bounce for choosing your sport activities quicker, reach which fills up as you reach your fitness goals, and then there's their app, PUMA Track. On the watch, you can use it to track your runs with the built-in sensors, whether that's outdoors or indoors, and you can also use the app on your phone to track other workouts. I'll report back soon to tell you more about my experience using the fitness services, but honestly, I really love the flexibility of being able to use either PUMA services or Google Fit, or whatever other fitness service is supported by WearOS. And probably another one of my favorites is full Spotify support, which is my favorite music service. So yes, this is the PUMA smartwatch. In my opinion, the watch WearOS needed to prove that it could take fitness seriously. Retail begins today for a crazy $275. I know, I thought it would be more expensive, but it's not. It's actually very aggressively priced. Not sure if you noticed, but I'm back into a sort of a fitness streak again after years of excuses. I've lost 15 pounds. I'm back to running faster 5 and 10Ks, back to cycling, back to weight training, and it all began with that trip to Nuremberg. It was really inspiring to be at those PUMA headquarters and learn about their story and also try PUMA running shoes for the first time, and at the same time try some of their services to tell you more about them on the video. Spending time at the PUMA headquarters was definitely one of my 2019 highlights. It was really inspirational to see how the brand has evolved over the years, and I'm not gonna lie, I have high hopes for the PUMA Smartwatch. Stay tuned for more details over the next few weeks in our full review. Let us know what you think about the PUMA Smartwatch in the comments down below, and while you're at it, follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, follow my personal handles to see me test this watch out in the real world. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.